Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. 3 people are dead following a 2-vehicle crash along the Haywood Hall Main Road in St. Mary. According to reports, the drivers of a Toyota Corolla motorcar and a Honda Stream were traveling in opposite directions. On reaching a section of the road, the driver of the Honda reportedly failed to stay in his lane, colliding head-on with the Corolla. 6 people were injured and 3 died in hospital. The incident happened sometime after 2 a.m. A relative of one of the deceased, identified as Johnny Walker, says the family, particularly his spouse, is struggling to cope.
She work in the hospital industry. She ever asked them thing about, she just never know say how it a come to her in a them way, you know. And it just on tragedy if you know say how idea when him a come from him mother dead yard for go funeral today. Him go pass away. Oh, I mean even know if you say.